shop. Over here, you got the regular mix over here with the pool and everything. Now you guys probably see a lot. And Rico hot dogs, which I guess is okay. But over here we got the Maricon. Everybody come roll up with their car, chill, put the music on. They're gonna hit me real hard with copyright all over this video, so watch out for that. Well, I might need to get the ATM right here. I just don't trust it. It's outside the mixer. Beautiful, beautiful sunsets over here, man. Look at that. God damn it. I don't think the camera could really pick it up, but god damn it. All right, so we're on Avenue España, and it's kind of starting to get busy. I guess this is a Sunday night or Sunday afternoon. It's about like 7:15 right now. We got the food out here. Ooh, yuca. Latino. Plantains, cassava, roast chicken, and then the man's pork right there. Ooh, look at this. This is ribs for sure. What else we got? Yeah, we kind of got everything. Some wings. Damn. That's good food. I can't even argue with it. Oh, yeah, liquor store too right next to it. No arguments at all. Good stuff. Of course, everything everywhere. Hey, you sure this liquor store's open? God damn it, we got everything in here. Brugal, the whole 9 yards. Imperial. Hola, hola, hola. Vaso con hielo, ¿cuánto es?
10 pesos.
¿10 pesos?
10 pesos, pero si está consumiendo aquí.
El otro es 25 pesos.
Oye.
Es 10 pesos acá.
Ajá.
Para un vaso con hielo, 10 pesos. Interesante. Yo voy aquí primero. I should have come here originally.
Ay, perdón. Si va a comprar.
Es mío, es mío.
Mira aquí, se lo dan así.
No hablan rápido, yo voy a hablar en inglés original. Okay.
Si va a consumir aquí el vaso con hielo, se lo dan sin que pague. Pero si va a comprar también.
5 o 10?
Ajá.
No, ¿cuánto es? 5 o
vacío 5 y
un vaso.
10. Ajá.
10. 10 pesos.
Sí, 10 pesos.
Estoy usando acá. Gracias. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Ana.
Ana. All right. I've seen some stuff I've never seen before. What the hell is Carta to Dorado? Wait, 9 para mí. ¿Es tu país? Es la país. ¿Es dominicano?
Sí, creo que sí. La de Haití.
¿Es 9 para mí? ¿Es Haití?
No.
Acá. ¿Tu país?
No.
¿Es la República Dominicana?
Ajá.
Ven acá. Yo no sé.
Está. Yes.
And Barbancourt is Haitian. Yeah, I know Barbancourt. Porque en Brooklyn tiene mucho Barbancourt, El Dorado, todo Caribe. No, I'm full. Time to hit the streets, baby. Hablando con ella, yo quiero uno.
220.
Yo quiero uno, por favor. All right, so copyright police, man, what I'm doing right now for you guys is breaking down to you where right here on Avenue España, the different ways and the places that you can go for everything. Have some drinks, to hit the clubs, to grab some food, to grab some liquor, and this is only the first half of it. This is just one side of the street. We didn't even go over the other side yet. Avenida España Malecón, right? So this road runs along the, what they call the Malecón, like the seawall or the ocean. And all you gotta do is go over the road to see the rest of it. But we're gonna get to that a little later on. Right now, a bunch of copyright music. And let me show you a little bit of the ladies as it starts to pack in here. This is where we go way pa, way pa, way pa, way pa. All right, so what's really going on is this, right? The Dominicans pull up in their cars, they blast music, they come over to a spot like this, they walk across the street from the beach, right? They grab some good food at these kind of spots, they go into the little liquor stores that you saw. Sometimes they bring their own chairs, other times they pay 100 pesos or less, grab a chair, and they sit across the street. So anyway, let's take this across the streets, man, see how Dominicans really do it. Man, Dominicans roll deep. Everybody's out here, from babies to grown men to old women, and of course the fine women too. They got their music on deck, they got their drinks on deck, their smokes on deck, or they go buy from the liquor store or their coolers, and it is on party time. So if the clubs in the Malecón ain't for you because it's just too busy or for whatever reason you don't feel comfortable, don't worry. I got my next spot that'll be perfect for you most likely. But let's enjoy the scenery a little bit, then we're going to jump over to the other spot. Life works, right? You gotta every day it's a little step, a little motivation, a little bit of just push some more, then you push some more. And eventually, after a little while, it ends up all being similar, all the same. This is just how life works. It's not really short, but and then it ends up good. Life is repetition. Over and over or it don't work. That's right. No ifs and no doubts about it. I hate to say, but Of course, you know it won't be right if it didn't hit up Mixer. Yep, good vibes, man. Listen, don't forget, like, share, comment. Check out the ebooks, payhip.com/RichesMethod Add your comments, share the video, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Let's go.